going to show you guys exactly how to do it. This actually works, guys. It's super crazy. So keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys. Hey guys, so today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of Mech Arena for iOS and Android. So let me open it up right here and show you guys. So as you can see, I'm broke. When I press this button, I can actually go for unlimited coins. So I'm going to max it up and let's see if the coins go up. And then I'm going to show you guys how to download this Mech Arena mod so you can get unlimited A coins. So let's see if it goes up, guys. Then I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So currently there's no change, but it could happen any moment. So let's see what happens, and hopefully we see a rise. So yo, what the heck, it actually works. So as you can see, there goes the money. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this to your device. So it works on iOS and Android in 2026. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the browser, and I just want you guys to type the website tweakmod.com. So once you're here, guys, go to the search bar and just type Mech Arena. So let me just type that in. So press install. So before it downloads, it's going to be verification. So you just have to download 2 apps, follow the instructions, and then you'll have the Mech Arena mod on your phone. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to download here, as you can see. So it's super cool, guys. So if you ever played Mech Arena and were like, damn, I do not want to be poor anymore, well, then let me introduce you to the Mech Arena mod, where you can actually get unlimited money. So this is super cool, guys. So I'm going to see you later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel because this is fully working, guys. And it is super cool. So as you can see, guys, it is loading now. So it's going to bring us to the last step. So this is where we got to download 2 of these apps. So we got Family Island, which says reach level 11. So it's a game. So I just got to play this until I'm level 11. Then we got Mode Casino. This one says install the app and open it. We got TikTok, which says down run for 30 seconds. So there's a video to watch if you're confused, but that's how to get a modded version of Mech Arena for your device. And by the way, I'm going to go to the App Store and just type in Mech Arena. You do not need the game installed, by the way, because this is a separate modded version. But as you can see, it is super expensive. So I'm going to see you guys later, but that's how to download Mech Arena modded version for your device in 2026, guys. So as you can see, I am super rich, bros. Actually works. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos about Mech Arena. But yeah, this is super crazy, guys. Totally updated for you. So have fun, guys. Enjoy the mod. And you can actually get rich too. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super crazy. You know, it's ready for you and everything. So have fun, and you can get Mech Arena modded version installed into your device. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys. Just make sure your low power mode's off. I know my phone's low battery right now, but even I do not have the low power mode on. So yeah, that's how to get Mech Arena modded version, guys. So try it out for yourself, and please tell your friends. We need to get the whole gang involved here, guys, so this actually works. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel because this is super awesome and totally works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys, because this is super awesome and it totally works. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. But that's how to get a modded version of Mech Arena for your device. So pretty cool stuff, you know. It's actually ready for you. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I don't want to take up any more of your time, but yeah, that's how to get Mech Arena modded version. So it's super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, because this is super cool and it's updated and everything. So have fun and peace out, my group.